Check out this 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. Underneath the hood, there's a 2.5-liter i4 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This 2019 Chevrolet Colorado has 29,000 miles on the odometer. There's also side steps for maximum comfort when climbing aboard. This Colorado has passed our 172-point inspection and is ready to hit the road. Once you buy it, we will cover it with our free lifetime warranty. Good for as many years and as many miles as you own it. Take it on a free 48-hour test drive today.